So why is Facebook app keep making sounds? So basically, you just need to go to your Facebook app, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right, then tap on settings and privacy, and then tap again on settings here, and then you can just go to media, and in media option you just disable in app sound. So just by doing that you will disable all Facebook app sounds, meaning like scrolling sounds, refresh sounds, all of that. But of course if you play in the video or something, there still will be like video sounds, so that should be fine, I guess. But yeah, recently Facebook added this like a bit annoying like refresh sound, so when you just refresh in the feed it has some weird sound. So then you just need to turn it off this way, or you just need to put your phone in the sleep mode, which is a bit annoying. So just better disable in-app sound this way. Yeah, hope that's helpful.